मांद्र्यातल्या ओशो हिलिंग सेंटरांतल्यान बेपत्ता जाल्ली आरती गोपाल हामल पिराय 36 ही नेपाळी तरणाटी शिवोले इश्टिणी वांगडा सापडली. नेपाळांतल्या धनगडीचे महापौर गोपाल हामल हांची ती धूव. तिच्या सोयऱ्यांनी कागाळ केल्या उपरांत फक्त 12 वरां भितून गोंय पुलिसांनी तिचो सोद घेतलो.
36-year-old girl, Aarti, she was reported as missing. So a complaint was received yesterday at Mandre police station, and as soon as the complaint was received, we had lodged a missing report in Mandre police station, and special teams were formed to trace the missing girl. The information at that stage was that the girl is a resident of Nepal, and she was visiting Goa as a tourist, and the information said that she was last seen at a wellness resort in Mandre. So during the course of the inquiry, several CCTV cameras were looked into. Search parties were formed specially to visit all major hospitals of Goa. All through the night, these search parties were visiting beaches and shacks just to trace the missing person. And fortunately, because of the continuous efforts by the team of Mandre police station, the missing girl was traced this morning, and we are happy to report that she is fine, and necessary NGO support has been provided to her. First aid has also been given, and if there is any need, then as the need will arise, we will also take necessary legal action if required. All through the search operation, the family members of the missing person were in touch with Goa police, and they were being updated, and updates were also being taken from them, so that there is no communication gap of any sort. And because of all these efforts, we were able to successfully conclude this operation. And I would specially mention the good work which has been done by SDPO Perne, Mr. Juba Dalvi, and by PI Mandre and his entire team.